We good? We good? We good? We good? Why did I feel... Here, let's close. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. Let's get some... Lo-fi. All right. We'll do all of them, all of them, all of them. I just don't remember. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What up, gang? What up, gang? I don't remember my light not being like dead center. Center. I genuinely don't remember my light being like that. Oh, duh. It's because I had it like that. It only cuts it out for... Okay. Okay. So, yeah, we need to low-key clean up just a tad bit. Need to put this stuff away. We need to get the... Actually, we'll put the Rainy 75 back here. We genuinely just need to clean some stuff up. There we go. What up, gang? What up, gang? Put that in there. That will help, though. That will help, though. So I'm thinking about, we're working right now, but we're going to chill and work. We're going to chill and work. Think we're about to purchase some Modern Warfare. Audio. Oh, I need a... No, we're not on OBS. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, we've been decent on the content. Connected to YT. What up, Landon? What's going on, my boy? Okay, so we're about to pre-buy. Look, let's peep this real quick. We got the beta here. Oh, look, you know what? Let's make a clip on this. Okay, so we have got the new beta for Modern Warfare 4. It's going to be opening weekend, so we're going to see how that goes. You know what? I don't know if I'm going to... I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, okay, okay. Kill block. I forgot about kill block. Got some snow back. This Friday. That is today, gang. That is today. What is this? Oh, this is like a full. This is like a full, Okay, looking hella realistic. Hella realistic. Multiplayer reveal. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got Omni movement still. Shotguns seem to have little to no spread. Little one-shotters. I doubt that's the truth. Okay, we still got finishes as usual. Okay, okay. Oh, haven't seen anybody use those in a hot minute. Not sure why we would use those, but they're using all the stuff that people tend to not use. We just need to get in there, gang. We just need to get in there. Okay, so let's pull this back over here. Let's see. We'll add that. View it. October 22nd is crazy. Here, look, we'll pull this over here. We already know that. Available 9 days. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Do it this week. This one's due tomorrow. What up, gang? Bathtub. There he is. There he is. There he is. I'll connect your chat in a few minutes automatically. Okay, that's Gucci. Should be lower. There we go. If we do Monday, we'll just knock that out. September 1st. When is September 1st? What day is the 1st? Oh, that's in 2 weeks. Okay, we're Gucci. Do this week. Do this month. Oh. September 1st, 5th, 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 8th, 12th. Can't believe we're coming to a close on 2026. That's just mind-blowing. That's just mind-blowing. You know what? I need to... Oh, I forgot it usually takes a minute at the end of the day. How much do we spend? Like 40. Like 40, I would say. There we go. Now we're connected to both. Let's see what it's looking like. Man, I have missed kicking it with you guys. 346. Boom, boom. Minus 70, minus 100. Minus 70, minus 100. Oh, what was 100 for? What up, gang? What up, gang? Oh, I think it was just for shites and giggles. I think it was just for shites and giggles. Okay, so we're gonna do. Where's my wallet? Here's my wallet. How many followers do you need to go to IG Live? You know what? Let me just pay this. We'll do the 40. Oh, not that. Close that. Select amount. 40. Boom. Pay. Okay, we're slowly dropping on that. I'll say that. I'll say that. Hold on a gosh dang minute. I swear. If we are not live right now. Yeah, it says we're live right now. Oh, there we go. There we go. I was nervous on that. So. We do need to start working. Okay, let's just knock this out. What is this? Okay. 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 7121. Why did I say that? What? Oh. Continue. Okay. So we'll close this. Let's see. Apparently we've got the open beta. But I'm probably not going to play it right now. I'm going to wait till the work day is over and we're going to hop on with our boy. With the homie. Oh, it's just okay. Boom, boom, boom. Continue that. We've already learned shaders cause issues on this like crazy. Anytime we're restarting shaders, it freaking causes so many problems. I swear I need to get that nose surgery. That deviated up, bro. My nose would probably sound, or my voice would probably sound different even with the way it's like. I'd never really have air coming through. I don't know. What's this little light for? Is that saying low battery? Is that what it's implying? Is that what it's implying? Bro, TikTok, you guys have had me shadow banned for so long, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. Vault Edition, don't think we need that. We already have that. What's wrong? Maybe it's just under BO7? It says starting at 11 a.m. Ah. Continue to Modern Warfare 4 beta. It's live. What up, Vin? Okay, so we're launching the beta. Is it like how it used to be back in the day where it like closes out the game completely and goes into like a different portal? Yep, that's exactly what it is. Give it a second. We're dropping frames right now. It's a little bit laggy, it seems. Whoa, the beta's 30 gigs? All right. Except when we're loading up a new game, it does drop frames for us. So just give it a moment. Once we finish loading it all up. Ah, now it's loading. What's going on, Vin? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna delete this layer. Let me check something. Yeah, we don't need that. Cool. I want to get you guys some text to speech, to be honest. Let's see if we can get you guys duplicator, clone a layer or scene. Save system resources, changes to the original will automatically sync to all the duplicate. See, but why? Why would we need that? That's the question. Markdown, add formatted using Markdown, add a solid color block. Widgets. Screen draw. What's this? We got confetti, I guess. I mean, that's kind of cool. It's not spotlight. DanNev54, why did it spotlight you? That's super random. Dan, you're not in here, right? Why did it spotlight you? No, I don't think Dan's in here. That thing's tripping. Chat. Here, look. Let's test this, I guess. Oh, sick. Okay. So we're going to delete it here. But you know what? We're gonna drop it on chat or on chatting. We're gonna test that. Test. Now, what if we have like lots of testing, blah, 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 blah. Does it let us like customize this layer? Copy. Oh, but what up, Axe? What up, Axe? Here, let's see if it does the same thing with testing. I don't think it would, but potentially. Oh, heck yes. I don't know how long that stays. I don't know how long that stays. But we're gonna copy the effect. Because so far, it's not popping up on this one. There's no reason for it not to be. Paste. Delete layer. I think I have to add it like individually. What up, gang? Okay, that's done. Nice. Nice. Okay. So I just wanted you guys to be able to see some interesting stuff. I just don't know how high it's gonna go. Who is that? That's fine. That's fine. I'll go with that. What's going on, Axe? Ooh, okay, hold on. Oh, you know what? Let's chop this here. Maybe there? That might do. Andres, what up, gang? Okay. So that worked. We're good. What's going on, Andres? Let's do like the last. 5, I guess you could say. We can do the last 5. What up, Joshua? What up, Mocha? We're just setting up some stuff for you guys. Man, I want to get a text to speech, to be honest. Counter, social handles, progress bar, countdown, subathon timer, stopwatch, confetti, goals, recent activity, will spin, combo. What up, Ellen? Here, we'll lift that a bit. We'll lift that a bit. Cool. We'll lock that. We'll lock that. Betsky, Betsky, Betsky. Let's look up how to do TTS on Meld. To use TTS in the Meld Studio, you need to integrate a third-party streaming bot or alert tool like Take Control, because Meld does not have a native TTS. TTS would be cool, really cool to have built into Meld. Let's see. Lumia, I guess people
So
are what people are recommending.
Match the same thing as you have it in OBS, all gonna be merging out within.
What up, Carlos?
After you do that, we're gonna go and add also Meld connection. OBS it's not the only streaming broadcasting platform. You can also use Streamlabs. You can also use Meld. You can use any other thing that you want. So we have Meld that we want to add as well. And in Meld Studio, you have the same. This is the local host. If you are not, you're having
Spirits?
PC setup. This will gonna be placed IP address where the Meld is currently installed. Right now, Meld, I have just a base installation over here. It's up and running. So if I click connect, then Meld is also
What up, gang? What up, gang?
over here. At the bottom, you're gonna see also all of your connections. And in case something gets bad or it's not working as you want, and you want to quickly open it, you can just double click the connection and we're gonna go and try to re-out.
So is it Lumia? Is that what we need to do? Is it Lumia? Lumia stream? I guess we'll try it. Can't hurt, right? Famous last words. Famous last words, it can't hurt. We'll install that bad boy. You guys can hear, correct? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. You can. We'll back this up a tad. I need to go freaking get this mailbox thing. Just so it's a little bit better. What up, Artificial? Actually, I think I pronounced your thing wrong. Your your handle. Okay, we'll log in with this. Continue. Always allow, open. Close that. Complete. Okay. No thanks. Twitch is the world's okay. It's connection time. We'll start with you guys. View your TikTok videos allowed to upload. Okay, we'll connect it. We'll connect that. What up, JJ? We'll continue that. Enter your TikTok username. Isn't there a dot or an underscore? Yeah, it's underscore. Underscore Naderade. And then we'll also connect the tube ski. We'll continue that bad boy. Current active channel member. See, edit, permanently delete your YouTube. No. Yeah, no. What up, Big G? Okay, we're gonna open in Lumia. Could not reach Lumia. Oh, okay, there we go. Those are really the only two platforms we do, Big G. Everything else we don't really focus on too much. Do you want to allow? Yes. Okay, default static dark gray brown. We'll do dark purple. Nah. Gray, just gray. Static white, green, purple, pink. Cool. Let's see. What up, Kay? Welcome to Lumia. You can pop out any widget. Here, look, let's make this large. Oh, show tutorial. Steps, dashboard. Okay. You can pop out any widget by clicking the thing above, then you have to separate the window containing only the widget. You can remove or add any widget from the dashboard by clicking manage. Stats keep track of all your active Lumia streams. Okay. This is connection section, all the services. This is the queue where you're able to order all the incoming commands, cooldown table, Lumia logs, alerts. Okay. So there's the chat box. That's cool. How do we do so alerts? First chatter entrance. When activated, base alert will be ignored and the alert will only be triggered if various conditions are fulfilled. I didn't hear anything. What up, money? I didn't hear that. I didn't hear it. Set a color scene animation. Oh, action alert. Chatbot TTS. Ooh, we'll do TTS. We'll enable TTS. Welcome on overlays by default. I guess we don't really need that.
Welcome Lumia stream. Welcome Lumia stream.
What up, Magic?
Welcome Lumia stream.
We'll do random so everyone's kind of audio output. We'll send it there. Cool, cool.
What's poppin' Lumia stream?
Okay. We'll press done on that. We don't need I guess. Chatbot, send chat responses. Lumia. Okay. We'll put that back. What up, Can? Complete and save.
What's poppin' Lumia stream?
2D for outputs we use instead. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Entrance base, first chatter, like, member, maybe just chat. First chatter, stream end, battle poll question, superfan. Base alert entrance. We'll edit that. TTS will enable it. Cloud voices. Random. Done. Next step. Stream is live, otherwise it was not. Cool. Next step. Cool. Complete and save. Okay, let's test it. What up, Fisher? What up, Din? Entrance based alert. I mean, we don't need to wait on an entrance. What up, gang? Ba-ba-ba. Commands, chat match, chat bot, data.
Tonight, Lumia Stream tells a story narrated by yours truly.
From Lumia Stream.
Okay. What up, Jamar? Is it Jamar or Jamar? Marketplace engagement. Let's see. How do we do? Watch, let's go back here. Oh, it was closed. So let's do. What up, Mabel? TTS on Lumia. Do we have to like... Hold on, device control. Stream is on. Dashboard. Events. Chatbot. Done. Let's try it again.
The real Natorade test.
The real Natorade high.
Chat as yourself, chat as bot. For TTS, only read messages from everyone. Only read these users, maximum length. Skip bot messages, skip emotes. Read new messages, skip chat commands. That's fine. Now, what if I close Lumia? Would you like to hide or quit? We'll do quit. Let's test it again. Oh yeah, you need Lumia open. You need Lumia open. We need to get the arms bigger, gang. Open control room. Did you know you can link your coffee machine, fan, or other smart devices? What up, gang? Oh, crazy. Okay. But what happens if I pop into...
The real Natorade test.
The real Natorade high.
The real Natorade test.
Okay. Is it the same thing? Entrance based alert.
What's poppin' Lumia stream?
Okay. Visual effects, play audio files and soundboard. Requires moderator triggers only when it's live. Yes, duh. Next, skip queue. Permanent default can be queue, main queue. All right. Oh, that's what we were gonna say. Dashboard. Watch. We're gonna see if we can.
Notorid test.
The real Notorid high. The real Notorid test.
Okay, cool. Events connection, internet Lumia. Okay, cool. Cooldown viewers. Let's see. Lumia lighting connection. Let's see. What up, David? Local control Lumia connection.
All right, what's up, guys? We're
Let's see,
not
let's
sure with
see.
A lot of others, but if you're using, you're gonna scroll down to settings. I mean, to
Okay.
connections. I'm sorry. From here, you're gonna see all the connections you have. Go to the top right.
Add new connection.
Click on that. Type in the search bar what you're looking for. Mine are Philips Hue lights. So here, connect. From here, it's telling me to go ahead and hold down the button on my Hue bridge. So I'll be right back.
I don't know if it'll magical. Nah. There's no way, right?
This should have fixed it. Yep. So my lights are now connected. Hit
Oh, we don't want
next.
that.
You have to delete, create, no. Refresh. And boom, my lights are now on. All right. So now we have the lights on. It's good. Everything's connected. To make
Okay,
sure,
let me
go to shortcuts and do.
let me go to my
click on one of these, like
orders.
we do that. You know, there's different ones that I have already here.
Was it
For sure,
Amazon?
fun one. I mean, not,
Could have
not
sworn
for
it
me,
was
but it's
Amazon.
fun.
Yeah, it is.
So that's how we set up the lights, guys. Again, you can always go
What
to
up, gang? What up,
connections.
gang?
There's a ton of things you can connect on here with.
Daily fun.
Let me get rid of my camera here. You got Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Trovo, TikTok, Kick, guys. Your Twitch
Smart.
chatbot, Streamlabs. I mean, there's so many things that it could be integrated with. Twitter, Spotify, your YouTube music desktop. Look at that. Now playing. Voice mod. StreamerBot is what I use.
Meld, maybe?
Also, dude, this is what I use also.
Oh,
Like, I
Meld
use all this
Studio.
stuff. You can have so much.
It's not.
There's the
Open up
lights.
person within Meld under advanced. Press allow remote
Go
connections.
down. Nano leaves. What's this? LiftX. E-lights. Twinkly. Cool light.
What up, David?
So many, guys. So many. If you know how
So
to
many,
use
so
Kia,
many.
You can use that for like monster lights and stuff like that.
Advanced.
But there's a lot out here. Govee lights. Boom.
Allow.
Land, I don't know the difference. Elgato light strips, Razer, Logitech, Corsair, Steel Series,
Open up person.
and it goes on and
The
on, guys. It
default,
goes on and on. All right, but it is cool. It is nice.
Okay,
I like
Vine
it.
scene with
I really like the,
hotkeys.
you know, how
Reacting.
it's,
Fire a lighting or overlay.
how it's so easy to use and everything's there. Okay?
Add an
It's not-
alert
it's not
box
that difficult to
overlay.
find. Or be like, oh man, like how do I do this or whatever. It's all there. I'm sure it'd be like a little, like, let me just play with
Add
the lights
existing
and see.
overlay. I guess we'll create one.
Like if you have Govies, here, look.
What does this even look
If
like?
you don't know how to use
What
it
up, burner?
or how to set it up, it even shows you. There's a YouTube
Emulate
video already made on how
chat.
to do it, or go to your step by step, and it'll explain it. So it's not, don't be discouraged if you're like, oh man, I don't want to mess anything up. If you mess something up, go back to your reset.
I guess we
it,
don't
delete it,
need.
and you'll be fine.
I guess we
Like,
don't
if
need
I wanted
that.
to, here's my.
There was something else I saw. What was it? Heart rate sync. That's
You go
crazy.
delete it and then re-add it. All right.
I guess someone
It's
was
not a big
using it or
deal,
or.
you're not gonna break anything.
Okay, okay, okay,
Sometimes breaking
okay.
stuff is part of the fun. It's part of the learning process. The most you're gonna do is probably like.
I wish there was a
mess
like an
something up correctly.
alert.
All you have to do is delete it, and then you start again. All right. It's real easy, guys. Don't get discouraged with seeing so many buttons and things you can.
Nah,
choose
let
from.
me turn it off because that might
Keep it nice, keep it simple, and it'll be.
that
great.
might just cause more
Right, I
issues
hope this
for
helps
us. What
some
up,
of y'all.
Brandon?
If y'all like a more in-depth video on how to set this up or how to set up other things, let me know in the comments, and we'll be going live again this week, Monday through Friday, around 9 a.m.
Okay, we can close that. I guess we'll go to the
The real
dashboard.
Natorid test.
The real Natorid High.
The real Natorid test.
Meld Studio. Yeah, Lumia serves early chatbot. Yeah, we don't need remove from dashboard. Oh, is there a way to undo that? Ah, Nike. Oh, add new widget. Device control. Is it connections? Yes, add to dashboard. Let's move this up here. Let's move this up here. Okay, okay. Follower only variations active on base alert. Okay. We don't need that. We're gonna close that. Yes. Follower edit. Only on this command, use custom code. Blah, blah, blah. TTS will enable that. We'll do random.
Lumia Stream joined the club.
Lumia Stream joined the club.
On overlays by default. Done. No light change. Done. Cool. Complete and save. Entrance. Edit. We don't need a light change. Done. Done. Entrance. We don't need this for tiki-taki. Done. Course starting, course stopping, Check commands. Follower, subscriber, We don't need a light change. Done. But we are going to do a little TTS.
Lumia Stream joined the club.
Done. Save. Okay. Like gift. Boom. We don't need a light change. Done. Yes, we'll do TTS.
Lumia stream sent X.
And we'll do random. Done. Complete. Why doesn't it have user likes, blah, blah, blah. I guess that's Gucci. Is that it? What up, Nathan? What's poppin', Nathan? I don't have this by chance, do we? What up, Jonatas?
Ariel Notoried sent X1 Rose.
Nice, nice. You know what? We're gonna change this. Complete it. I have some stuff.
The real Netoride sent 3 hot puff.
Cool. We're just testing that out. That'll be good. That'll be good. That'll be good. That'll be good. Cool.
Ariel Notoried sent 9GG.
Cool. Thought I already told this thing not to connect the meld. Oh. Connections. That's what I need to do. Connections. Delete meld. Disconnect that. Follower. Add a spin, add a subathon, schedule a recurring promo message. Cool. Cool. Jake, what up, gang? Okay, we'll close that. So I've been testing like crazy. I think we're good though. Let's see. I don't know why it's doing this. I don't want it just on entrance. Start for what the hell? Okay, we'll watch this, I guess.
Try to re-authenticate it. So this will gonna be speeding up, especially since, for example, you're currently modifying one of your commands, which we do not really have. We have just the base ones. And I have an issue with Kik connection. I want to actually re-authenticate it. I can go double click, go into our alerts, and let's go on Twitch first. For example, we have the bits. By default, we have it automatically enabled, and you can click over here. Nothing will gonna happen. So right now, inside over here, you can either change your lights. Right now, we don't have any light connections. I'm gonna go through that.
Okay, let's try this. Let's try this.
GPT already connected inside, we can still use the AI voice. The AI voices over here, all the premium users are having one voice clone that they can create. This will gonna be your own personal voice, either for yourself or by a cat. There are some things to take in mind when you are actually creating the voice over here. You would want your audio clip that you're placing here not be low, because if you're placing your audio clip low, also the output of the voice will gonna be low. He'll gonna try to mimic exactly as your input. So make sure that your audio it's clear, loud, and doesn't have background noise or something like that. And then we're gonna have a very good voice generated over here inside Lumia Stream, like mine, for example. But for example, if I go on, let's go on the newest, and if I check a different one that was placed, that was actually not low.
Let's see, maybe Jarvis?
Jarvis from Lumia Stream.
You dare activate the voice of a Saiyan prince? Try to keep up, worm!
An instrument? Well, Lumia Stream sure is.
Yo, what's good, my people? With Lumia Stream, I keep the
Okay, let's see.
lit all day.
Viewers can make an AI TTS sound more natural with pause, using keyboard command, using Twitch command, use in chat for Twitch.
Stay smooth, stay fly.
Entrance. First chatter, Lumia opened, Lumia closed. There's not just a normal chat. Any user, save. TTS. And once again, we'll do our boy. Ooh. First chatter. Is my name? See that? Not now. Open alerts.
Lumia Stream is the first chatter.
Okay. Trigger only when it's live. When activated, base will be ignored. Add variation. Generate first chatter variations. Cancel. Okay. I just wish it was like a full TTS and not freaking.
Streamers, did you know that with Lumia Stream, your community can use text-to-speech with channel point redemptions? You can enable a text-to-speech to play while you're utilizing this channel point feature. And the really cool thing that we have is that you can also use the Marketplace AI text-to-speech that allows you to use different characters or different special voices being prompted.
Points and alerts, all using Lumia Stream. Let's get started. So if we come over to Lumia Stream, we're first going to create a command. I'm going to create add command, and I'm going to just name this command TTS. I'm going to select no light change, and I'm going to go to dynamic options and skip the queue because I want this to always fire immediately when someone, redeems it. I'm going to go to the TTS tab, press enable, and by default, it will say username use command. If I press test,
use test.
You'll hear the default. If I wanted to set that test when I'm either testing through the app or testing through Stream Deck, I can set it here by just setting an equal sign behind the variable. So I can say equals Lumia. And now if I test again,
Lumia use test.
Lumia use test. And you can learn more about that in our variables video. But as you see, you also got your, and you can even delay it if you wanted to, and just the command.
Okay.
So without the exclamation point TTS. Right? So without the command. So without the exclamation point TTS. I'm gonna press apply, refresh, and go over to my Twitch channel. So now if I go over to my Twitch channel, put exclamation point TTS, and I can say hey there.
Hey there.
There you go. Now we can also create a Twitch point or even a Twitch extension in the exact same way. I'm just gonna go to add command. I'm gonna call it say instead of TTS. You can call it whatever you want. And I don't want my light to change. And I want to skip the queue. One more thing I want to do is make sure that the user is required to enter a prompt when they redeem this, Twitch point. So I'm going to do another variable called message. And what message does is it gets the message that the user types without the another variable called message. And what message does is it gets the message that the user types without the command. So without the exclamation point TTS. I'm gonna press apply, refresh, and go over to my Twitch channel. So now if I go over to my Twitch channel, I can put exclamation point TTS and I can say hey there.
Hey there.
There you go. Now we can also create a Twitch point or even a Twitch extension
We'll
in the
use
exact
that.
same way. I'm just gonna go to add command. I'm gonna call this say instead of TTS. You can call it whatever you want. And I don't want my light to change. And I want to skip the queue. One more thing I want to do is make sure that the user is required to enter a prompt when they redeem this, Twitch point. So I'm gonna say enter your message. I'm gonna go to the TTS
what a
tab, press
bathtub.
enable, and I'm gonna say username said. And I'm going to use a different variable here. You can still use message, but the more correct way is using prompt. I'm going to choose a voice option here.
Okay.
Microsoft Zera. Going to press apply, refresh, and I'm just going to go to my Twitch channel. And I'll redeem this save. So
skip queue.
Lumia Cove said this is super cool.
There you go. Now we can do the exact same for Twitch.
Okay, let's
extensions. You
see.
can also add it to an alert. So if I go to Twitch follow, you'll see text speech show up right here. You can put in whatever you want, your voice options, same as we did for the command and Twitch point. Now, let me show you how to download more voices. So this link will be linked down below, but I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way. You're going to go to the search, put in speech, settings, and now you can see all of your different voices here. You can see
Is it only for
voices
certain apps?
but you can also add a voice. So you can select a voice here. Let's say I wanted to do Chinese. I can press add, and now it will install. But after it installs, it won't show up in Lumia right away. You're gonna actually have to restart your computer for it to show up, and then you can show up in that list of Microsoft voices. So all these voices right here, you'll have the new, Chinese one, and you can use it.
See, but what app? Chat match.
Also, one last thing is that you want to make sure your text-to-speech output
Ready
is on the
check when it
correct
comes
output device. So I have
in.
my Go XLR, the music output. I have it right there, the same as my audio output for Lumia Stream. So you can change that, if you're using, a different route that you want to point it to, or you just point it straight to the desktop if you want. And that's about it. Thank you all for watching, and we hope to see y'all next time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Lumia, TikTok.
Lumia Stream is taking over the TikTok space. If you're a TikTok streamer, you're in for a treat. I myself am a gaming live pro on TikTok, and I have
Total
been
like
searching for a bot that's
goals.
gonna be able to give me everything I need. So instead of looking, we just built it within Lumia
Okay.
Stream. Listen to everything we have to
Okay, let's see.
go ahead and just put that in where it needs to go. Are you looking to set up text-to-speech for super fans only, maybe specific users, or heck, everybody if you want to have chaos in your channel? You can do
Okay.
that all within Lumia Stream. Here's how to set up text-to-speech. In any of your alerts, head to the edit button. Find text-to-speech, and here make sure to hit enabled. From here, you have two options. You can play a regular text-to-speech
What?
in Lumia Stream. Here's how to set up text.
Okay, where are they? Oh, they're just on. So let's delete this. Yes. This.
Text-to-speech. In any of your alerts, head to the edit button. Find text-to-speech, and here make sure to hit enabled. From here, you have two options. You can play a regular text-to-speech, or you can use our new Marketplace AI text-to-speech. Please be mindful, if you're using the AI text-to-speech, you are going to use your monthly quota. And it's simple as that. Make sure to hit next, save, and you've got text-to-speech enabled. My multi-streamers out there, are you looking?
What?
From here, you have two options. You can play a regular text-to-speech, or you can use our new Marketplace AI text-to-speech. Please be mindful, if you're using the AI text-to-speech, you are going to use your monthly quota. And it's simple as that. Make sure to hit next, save, and
We don't need approval.
My multi-streamers out there, are you looking for a chat box that includes TikTok and all of the alerts, all the gifts that you get? Lumia Stream has you covered. We have an events list that includes all the gifts that you receive from TikTok as well as every other platform that you're on. Plus, a chat
See,
box
but
also
how?
has all of the TikTok chats in there. Are you tired of TikTok not being included in your raffles, your giveaways? Well, we have it all integrated within Lumia Stream, so there's no more having to bounce back and forth. We even have integrated viewer queues. We know that viewers on TikTok like to stay on TikTok.
It's the earth that plays and no variation matches.
Now you don't even need to push for it. If they want to play with you, they can queue up with you and have your Twitch chat and your TikTok chat.
Okay.
Starting a viewer queue is as simple as super fan. If you want to have chaos in your channel, you can do that all within Lumia Stream. Here's how to set up text-to-speech. In any of your alerts, head to the edit button. Find text-to-speech, and here make sure to hit enabled. From here, you have two options. You can play a regular text-to-speech, or you can use our new...
How do they trigger it though?
Please be mindful, if you're using the AI text-to-speech, you are going to use your monthly quota. And it's simple as that. Make sure to hit next, save, and you've got text-to-speech enabled. My multi-streamers out there, are you looking for a chat box that includes TikTok?
When activated, the base will be ignored.
That you get, Lumia Stream has you covered. We have an events list that includes all the gifts that you receive from TikTok as well as every other platform that you're on. Plus, a chat box also has all of the TikTok chats in there. Are you tired of TikTok not being included in your raffles, your giveaways? Well, we have it all integrated within Lumia Stream, so there's no more having to bounce back and forth. We even have integrated viewer queues. We know that viewers on TikTok like to stay on TikTok. It's hard to get them to transfer over. Now you don't even need to push for it. If they want to play with you, they can
we're
queue
gonna
up
turn
with you
that
and have
off.
your Twitch chat and your TikTok chat together. Starting a viewer queue is as simple as going to the engagement tab under viewer queue. Hit start new viewer queue. From here, you can set your title, if you want them to use loyalty points, who's allowed to join, and if you want to limit the queue. And you can see with Lumia Stream, our base command is !join. However, you can change that to fit your needs. Let's say you want to change that to !play, you can do that. Under the second tab, name and description, this is where you can change it. You can also make it exclusive to a
Add
Twitch extension or
command
somebody has to use channel
TTS
point center.
enable.
And now, as long as you have Lumia Stream connected to whichever platform you're streaming on, the viewers can now join the queue. And because it's so well integrated that when you build an overlay, let's just say for Twitch that you want to have an emote wall, well, we can also now include TikTok.
Name.
Which is very important for TikTok streamers. Let me show you how I built one of my most popular interactive features. Head on over to our overlay section, go to add a layer, then hit the custom layer button. On the right hand side, you're going to see manage code and fields. You're going to click on that, then hit AI assistant. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. Have an idea, give it a prompt, and let the AI do
Ooh. Well, her ears were ringing. Cool. Well, that's done. Next, skip queue, complete and save. TTS. Let's test again. Oh.
Lumia Stream use TDS.
Okay, TTS. Next. Requires model show commands page. Red, green. Point slots. Chat stats. Nope. Next. Previous. Text. Okay. Play TTS as overlays enable. We'll do a variable. We'll just do message. Oh, nope. We'll delete that. We'll do message.
This is going to be legend. Wait for it. Dari.
Only works with cloud voices. Done. Aliases will ignore the global key and will take direct command. Next. Complete and save. No.
In today's video, I'll show you.
Oh, it's Tickfinity. We might quit that. Display, video, game, media, image, duplicator, text, activity, chats, goals, sketch draw, counter, progress. Alrighty, gang. We'll be back on tonight. Appreciate you guys. Peace.